This is not financial advice. Dreamers, Nvidia just had one of their biggest earnings yet to date. Like, they killed their earnings call, increasing their revenue, increasing their earnings per share, but yet still they crashed in the aftermarket hours in the following day, being down 4.19% from having a high all the way up to around $186, dropping to a low of around $177. The very next day, Nvidia crashed. And to a lot of new investors, this could be scary to them. But to a lot of educated investors like us that's watching this channel, I know you're educated because you're watching this channel. This is music to our ears. This is an opportunity for us to use the name of the game. The name of the game is to buy low and sell high. I think Nvidia on this pullback is a pullback for short term. Could it pull back more? Yes, absolutely. But with the earnings call they just had, man, listen, it confirms the outlook on AI. And it could, I think, off the reports that people are putting about on Nvidia, that they could continue to recover and make new all-time highs this year or the following year. And as long as we're able to buy low and sell high, the name of the game, we're gonna be all right. So let me hear you comment down in the comment section. Give me the loot, because I'm about to show you guys how to get the loot. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna sell cash secure puts. If you're new to this channel, selling a cash secure puts is just pretty much saying, hey, you're gonna pay me for saying I want to buy Nvidia at a cheaper price. You're gonna pay me a premium. I'm gonna show you guys in this video exactly what it is. So make sure you pull out your pens, your notepads, your paper. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do every single thing in this video and how you can earn a couple extra dollars every single month from following these easy steps. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button. I really appreciate you guys a lot. And I appreciate you guys so much because you got me to 5,000 subscribers last month. And I really appreciate y'all so much. And y'all was hitting the notification. Man, listen, y'all was hitting that notification bell, man. If you subscribe to the channel already, hit that notification bell. YouTube is changing up some things with the homepage. But if you hit that notification bell, I think that helps out this channel even more. But because you guys were subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell, this is the biggest sale I had yet on my Discord, on my Patreon. It's up to 60% off. This is, you could come in, be a part of my Zoom calls that I have every single Sunday. See, every single time I buy and sell a stocks, I have 3 pro day traders on there that post their option trades every single day. You get access to my leap options. And then in there, I teach you how to run the wheel strategy that we're going to be talking about in this video. And I have multiple modules on there that could teach you how to become financially free. I know you want to be financially free because you're watching this video. And if you want to get trades from my pro traders that end up looking like this, and trades from me that end up looking like this, consider joining the Patreon. Right now, the biggest sale ever, 60% off. I'm probably never gonna do it again until I get to like maybe 10,000 subscribers. I'll do it again for you guys out there. But I want to just show you guys that I really appreciate y'all. This is one of the best opportunities for you to invest in yourself, learn something this year in 2026, and try to become financially free. Now, let me show you guys exactly what selling a cash secure put is. So right now, you guys can see that Nvidia is at $177. Even after the pullback, let's just say we're not comfortable buying Nvidia at $177. We want to wait a little longer and buy it at a cheaper price. But in the meantime, we want to get paid to wait and paid to buy it at a cheaper price. So what we could do, we're going to hit trade. You're going to hit trade options, and let's go out to the end of the month. I'm going to explain why in a second. So we're going to go out to the end of the month. We're going to go all the way to March 27. Now we're going to have it on sell a put. This is saying that we want to buy 100 shares of Nvidia at a certain price. Now, usually, without thinking at all, you can go to a 0.3 delta. Let me show you guys what that is. Let's click the 165, this one right here. Okay, that's a 0.27. Let's click the 170. So we're going to click this one right here, and the 170 is a 0.34 delta, right? As you guys see, it's a 0.34 delta. Now, a 0.3 delta means you have a 70% chance of winning this trade. A 0.2 delta means you have an 80% chance of winning this trade. I'm going to show you guys how to increase your chances of winning these trades later on in this video. So make sure you watch this whole video so you don't miss out on that information. But for example, let's just use the 165 because it has a 0.27 delta, right? So over there, it says a $4.50. But when you're dealing with options, you're talking about 100 shares. So multiply that by 100, that's $450. Now that is the premium that I'm showing right there. So by selling a put at the $165 strike price, they're going to pay me a premium of $450. Now this is saying that I'm willing to buy Nvidia if it pulls back to $165 or below. I'm willing to buy Nvidia at $165, and you're going to pay me $450 right now, no matter what, today in my account immediately once I hit this trade. So I made $450 in premium. Now, if Nvidia recovers and do not pull back to $165, let's say Nvidia goes up, right? I get to keep my collateral of wanting to buy 100 shares of Nvidia, and I get to keep the premium for $450 and do it again the following month until I'm comfortable of buying Nvidia at whatever price point I want to buy it. And even if Nvidia pulls back to $166, it did not pull back to the agreed price that I said of $165. That means I get to still keep my collateral, and I get to keep the premium of $450 and do it again the following month. And if you're doing this every single month, you could generate an extra $450 every single month using this strategy. It might not sound like a lot, but $450 a month, that's an extra $5,400 a year in premium. And premium alone that you could be making this year. Now, so far this year in premium inside of the Patreon, inside the Discord, we're up $8,281 this year alone in just pure premium. We're not even counting capital gain. In January, we did $4,582. In February, we did $3,699. So 8 weeks into the year, we're at $8,281. So we're averaging around $1,000 per week in just pure premium selling cash secure puts, doing covered calls. If it sounds confusing, join the Patreon. The link is down in the pinned comment section and also down in the description. But yeah, that is the very simple version of selling cash secure puts, which is the first step of the wheel strategy. One thing that I like to do is add in a couple of indicators to, like I told you guys, I was going to show you how to increase your percentages of winning. Well, one of the ways that we do it is we go to tradingview.com and we're going to pull out the Bollinger Bands, and we're going to be looking at the RSI. Now, this is the 4-hour chart, right? When I'm doing monthly trades, I'm looking at the 4-hour chart. When I'm doing weekly trades, I'm looking at the 1-hour chart. That's simple. Now, when I like to use the Bollinger Bands, because whenever price is at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and a little bit oversold on the RSI, price end up recovering and going back to the top of the Bollinger Bands. Just like right here at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, end up going back up to the top. At the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, end up going back up to the top. And right now, this is Nvidia. It could pull back some more, but right now it's at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. It's not quite oversold on the RSI. Me, myself, I like to teach my team that you want to sell cash secure puts when it's at the bottom of the RSI and at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. I have a little bit of different settings on my Bollinger Bands than everybody else, but my settings help prevent a lot less fake outs and a lot less confusion. It kind of smooth things out. But yeah, right here is at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. It's almost oversold on RSI. You could wait and be patient, but it's not a bad setup. And then the next thing I like to do is that after it's at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, it's at the bottom of the RSI, you could go in and look for a 0.3 delta. You could go in and look for a 0.2 delta and be just fine. That would increase your win rate. If it's at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and at the bottom of the RSI, you could go sell a 0.3 delta if you really, really want those shares, or you can sell a 0.2 delta if you just looking to generate a little extra income. Now, the next thing that I like to do is I like to look at the most recent support and resistance lines. So right here, you guys can see that Nvidia once came to this zone right here. It bounced off this zone as a support. It went all the way back up. It came back down to the zone again, bounced off this zone of 165, continued to go all the way back up. So over the next month, I think that it could use the $165 price point right here as a support zone, as a support line again at 165. So that also confirms our $165 price point that we was looking at right here. And in fact, just because we're getting paid a premium of $450, our break even is $160 that you guys can see right here. So our real break even will be all the way down here at $160. Now, if you did want to be a little less risky, you could go to the next support zone, which I would say would be right here in this area where Nvidia had a double top and kind of level support. So I had a top broke and used this as a support line. So I would say anything around this area of around 150, underneath 155, maybe like 153. We could come back over here to our trade. We could look out a month and go to the 155, which pays out $248. And that has a delta of 16. So if you did want to play it a little safer, you can pick the 155 or the 150. And if you are assigned 100 shares of Nvidia at 150, that might be the best deal because you picked up amazing stock that's on sale at 150. In fact, on Nvidia, if we scroll down, I have Robinhood Gold. They're showing that the fair value of Nvidia right now, just upgraded by Morningstar 2 days ago, is $240. $240 is their fair value. So if we come back over here and we're signed at 160, right? We're signed at 160 and we go all the way back up to its all-time high of $211. That is a 32% gain. If we go all the way up to what the Morningstar increased it to 240, that is a 50% gain. We can have a 50% gain if Nvidia makes a new all-time high at the fair value that Morningstar is giving it within the next year. Even if it takes 2 years for it to get to a 50% gain, that is 25% growth per year over the next 2 years, which is really, really good. Now, if we come back over here to the 165, this one pays out $450 and will cost you $16,500 in collateral to enter this trade. So if you make $450 and you divide that by 16,500, that is a 2.7% trade in a month, which is amazing. Now, when I come back over to my charts right here, this is us only really bringing in 3 to 4, sometimes 5% a month. Like this was like a 4% month. This was like 3.5% month, 3 to 4. Sometimes we do 5% months. Last year we had a couple 5% months, but we're averaging around 2 to 4% every single month. So if we're bringing in 2.7% a month on Nvidia, and we could get assigned those shares, which is amazing. That would be a great job, because if we was to find trades like that every single month, we could have a 32% year just selling cash secure puts on Nvidia and never get assigned, as long as we're following our trading rules. Now, I know what you're saying, $16,500 is a lot of money. Well, thank you for making it to this part of the video, because I'm about to show you how to do it even cheaper. It's a little bit more riskier, but you stay to the end of this video. I'm going to show you guys how to do it for a cheaper price. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to use the leverage of Nvidia, and that is going to be ticker symbol NVDL. So we're going to come over to NVDL, click this right here. Now, this is the leverage of Nvidia. It's a 2x leverage. For every percent that Nvidia moves up, this is going to move up 2%. For every percent that Nvidia moves down, this is going to fall 2%. This is what makes it riskier. As you guys can see, it's down 8%. But it pays a lot more in premium. So when we did our calculations on Nvidia at a 0.3 delta, it was paying out 2.7% in a month. Let's see what NVDL does. And this is only $77. That means you will only need $7,000 to sell cash secure puts on NVDL versus $16,000 that you would need to do it on Nvidia. So we're on NVDL, we're going to hit trade options, and let's go out a month to March 27th. And look for the same 0.3 deltas. Okay, so let's scroll down and let's look at the 69, this one right here, and click this. So that is a 0.29 delta. Let's just say that's a 0.3 delta. It has an applied volatility of 100% because it's twice as volatile as Nvidia, right? Because it's a 2x leverage. Now this one, the market price is paying you out $448. It will only cost you $6,900 in collateral to enter this trade. So let's see what kind of percentage that is. So we're going to do 448 divided by 6,900. $6,900 is what you need in collateral to enter this trade. And multiply that by 100. That is a 7% trade in a month. A 7% trade in a month on NVDL. Insane. Multiply that out by a year. That's an 84% year on NVDL. So yeah, dreamers, Nvidia did fall after having an amazing earnings call. A lot of financial places upgraded their price on Nvidia. Morningstar bumped theirs up to 240. Let me know what you think about Nvidia down in the comment section. Do you think it's going to continue to pull back, or do you think it's going to end up continuing to grow? This is just a small recent pullback, and it's going to continue to grow over the next couple of months, over the next year or two. Let me know what you think Nvidia is going to do down in the comment section. And like always, dreamers, comment, give me the loot down in the comment section, because I showed you guys how to get the loot. And I really appreciate you guys. If you guys do want to check out the Patreon, 60% off. That link is going to be down in the pinned comment section and also inside of the description. Other than that, dreamers, if you have any questions, ask any questions you have down in the comment section. I read them all. I reply to them all. I really appreciate you for coming out and subscribing to the channel and hitting that notification bell. I know you're a real one because you hit that notification bell. I really appreciate that. But other than that, dreamers, I'm Zeke, bringing you Dream Green Conversations, and I'm out. Peace.
This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. All investments are by risk. Do your research. This is not licensed financial advisor. Any third party considered falls under the fair use commentary and analysis. Please consult with a licensed financial advisor or professional in your area before making investment decisions.